So hey guys, welcome back. So we are going to do all of this drilling operations here. Now the sample tells us that we need to drill two holes on either sides. This has a 5 millimeter drill diameter and we have to countersink it. So the setup is very simple. We have installed the vise on our milling table from the last job, and the part is placed over a 1 2 3 block. We are using this as a spacer. The reason we are doing so because we are going to drill it all the way through, and having this 1 2 3 block will prevent us from drilling over the milling vise, which we do not want. So we are going to clamp it. This part is clamped. This edge finder is going to, because this part is clamped on the vise itself, if we indicate the vise inside jaws, it will indicate as a precise center of the part in y axis. So we are going to start the mill. So this is y0. I zoom you in close so that you can also see. This is y half. So now if we zero in our DRO the y, alright, so this position which shows as y0, this is the exact center of the part in y direction. Now we need to find the center on this edge. So for that, again same reason, what we are going to do is we are going to indicate this side. Alright, so this is x0. We are bringing this down. Alright, this is x half. So our drilling sequence is going to be a starting drill and then a 5 millimeter drill. This is a 5 millimeter drill we got. So let's install the starting drill first. And then we need to go to 0. Alright, so let's start with the first drill. So it was not locked. Okay, I hope this will work good. Now this is our 5 millimeter drill. We are getting a lot of stringy chips, but that's all right. All right, one drill is done. All right. So again we need to indicate. All right. So let's check again. So this is x0. And this is x half. So this has been indicated. Now if we put our centering drill and bring our DRO, that is to 0. So this is now indicating the part center. So let's drill on this end. Yeah. So if you guys can see in the camera, this is, I hope if I turn on the light it might help a little. Okay. All right. Centering is done. Next. Let's drill this out. All right. So this is done too. So we can take the part out, but before we do that, we just want to do one last step. So this is a chamfering tool which we have got recently, some time back. We want to put this chamfering tool in and chamfer the part. I think if we reduce the speed a little, it's going to work great. All right, this side is chamfered. We are going to do the other end and chamfer that too. All right, so this is chamfered too, and this part is done. So we are going to take it out from the vise. Probably it is a good idea if we do the other end. Does not require us to do to be very much accurate and everything. It can easily be done if we somehow place it, that is over here. All right. All right, this is the other way. This is done. Okay. So this is how the part looks after the chamfer. So we are going to do the next part. Hey guys, so this was a sample and we have drilled on all 4 of this batch which we were doing. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is ready to be dispatched to the customer, and this is the fresh 4 pieces that we have received from the customer again, which we need to machine and get it done. So the process is going to be the same. We are going to do all of this the same way we showed the process of doing this. And this is basically the LED light housing which is completed. The only thing which the customer would require is to put the LED light which has been shown, which we have shown in the video, in the start of the video, and then the acrylic sheet which the customer has made would be applied with some epoxy. So as of now, as for us, this project is complete. Only parts which has come later is left, which we are going to do off camera. So with that said, we are going to end the video here. So again, thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling and God bless.